How to wear two face items in your avatar. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'll show you how to wear multiple face accessories at the same time. Whether you want to combine a mask with the glasses or any other combination, I'll walk you through the process for both mobile and PC users. If you're in mobile, start by visiting the Roblox website and requesting the desktop site, and for PC users, simply go to the Roblox website, and once you're on the site, navigate to your avatar editor and access the desktop version. In the avatar editor, locate your face accessories, and to wear multiple face accessories at once, equip the first item you want to wear, then click on Advanced in the bottom right corner of the screen and scroll down if needed and find the Advanced option. Next, copy the asset ID of the first accessory and then equip the second accessory. Return to the Advanced section and paste the asset ID of the first accessory. Click on Save to apply both accessories simultaneously, and you can repeat this process to add more accessories, keeping in mind the limit of 10 clothing articles per character. Enjoy customizing your character with multiple face accessories on Roblox, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.